Welcome to Smart Shopping Conversions, the podcast, episode 5 of 13, chapter 4, Google Merchant Center, your AI shopping engine. Today, we're really getting into something fundamental. Our mission here is to show you how Google Merchant Center, it's not just another dashboard to keep tabs on, it's genuinely your brand's ultimate launch pad for showing up, standing out, especially now in this AI-powered marketplace we're all navigating.
That's absolutely spot on, yeah.
We're talking conversational AI, voice assistants. Shoppers are finding things in totally new ways.
They really are. And for anyone in e-commerce today, Google Merchant Center, or GMC, let's call it that, it's just so critical. Think of it less like a static product list and more like the essential bridge, right? Connecting your store directly to these powerful AI search platforms.
Like ChatGPT.
Exactly. ChatGPT, voice assistants like Siri, Alexa, and obviously the big one, Google Shopping itself. So when someone asks, a natural question like, what's a good budget smartwatch for a teenager? You don't just want your product listed. You want it right there at the top, among the first suggestions, with great pictures, reviews, and crucially, links that take them straight there. No friction.
Okay, I'm feeling it. Let's ride. Ready to really transform how your products get discovered in this AI world.
Let's do it.
Okay, so let's kick us off. If we boil it down like plain English, what is Google Merchant Center? Is it just that free Google tool, that place you dump product info?
Well, yes, it is a free tool and it is a central hub. But the key thing is where that data actually goes. It didn't just, sit there. It's actively powering Google Shopping, showing up in the SRPs, the search results pages.
Right.
It integrates with Google Ads. But the really big shift now, the game changer, is how it feeds directly into stuff like ChatGPT product listings. As these AI search integrations get smarter, your products can pop up visually, organically, sometimes before anyone even hits your website.
Wow, okay.
Yeah, and it's foundational for voice search too. Shopping, smart displays. It's basically how Google and these AI partners understand your inventory.
So that brings us to this pairing you mentioned, ChatGPT plus Google Merchant Center. You said it sounds almost magical. What's the secret sauce there? What makes that combo so powerful?
The magic, it really comes down to how their strengths complement each other perfectly.
Yeah.
See, ChatGPT is brilliant at understanding what people mean, right? Conversational intent, natural language queries. It gets beyond just keywords. Then you've got GMC providing this super clean, structured product info. Everything the AI needs. Great images, current price. Is it in stock? What are the reviews saying?
All neatly packaged.
Exactly. So when they work together, your product doesn't just get listed. It gets showcased. It gets found by the right shopper asking that specific question. It looks great, has all the info right there, and it importantly makes it easy to click and buy, even inside these AI shopping flows. Like you said earlier, boom. You're not just answering a question. You're guiding someone straight to checkout. That's the power.
That is a powerful picture. But like you said, this visibility, it doesn't just happen. You've got to optimize for it. So for someone listening, maybe running their own store, what are the absolute must-dos? What makes a GMC listing truly AI ready? How do we build that bridge right?
It's all about being precise, being clear, almost like you're meticulously teaching the AI about your product, thinking ahead about every question a human might ask it. So first off, let's talk high-quality images. This isn't just about aesthetics anymore.
Right.
Think of AI as like a visual learner. These images are data. Crisp, professional shots are crucial. Minimum 800 by 800 pixels is a good rule of thumb. Use JPG or PNG, clean background preferably. Include lifestyle shots, close-ups if they help. And critically, use descriptive alt text in file names. Something like ergonomic office-chair black.jpg. That's more context for the AI. Remember, ChatGPT might pull that image first. One great photo can mean a click. Got it. Images, data. What's next? Next up, clear, value-driven titles. These need to work on multiple levels. SEO-rich, yes, but also natural, human-readable. And they have to resonate with how AI understands language. So relevant keywords, sure, but don't stuff them in.
Right, no keyword stuffing.
Exactly. Think about answering real search questions, like best rain jacket for hiking or top-rated wireless earbuds under $50. Keep it within Google's limit, about 150 characters. And importantly, weave in those core values people search for: eco-friendly, waterproof, vegan. So maybe. Ergonomic mesh office chair with lumbar support, adjustable, breathable, under $200. Clear, specific, value-packed.
Makes sense. Titles that answer questions.
Yeah. Then up-to-date pricing and availability. This is non-negotiable. Seriously. If your price is wrong or it says in stock when it isn't, an AI like ChatGPT might just ignore your product entirely. It prioritizes accuracy for its users.
Okay. That's critical.
Yeah, and GMC is built to sync this automatically from your feed, so you need that connection working perfectly. Also vital, trust signals. We're talking reviews and ratings.
Social proof.
Exactly. AI platforms are increasingly looking for products with visible, structured review data. That aggregator schema, make sure it's there. Encourage reviews, obviously, but then make sure that data is technically accessible to Google and the AI. It tells them real people vouch for your product.
Okay, aggregate rating schema. Got it. What else is key for the tech side?
That leads right into structured data and schema more broadly, using schema.org tags, specifically schema.org product. This is like adding little labels in a universal language that AI understands. This is the product name. This is the description. Here's the price, availability here, ratings here, image here.
So you're explicitly telling the AI what each bit of information is.
Precisely. It removes ambiguity. And again, crucial that GMC is properly connected to your product feed, that the data is current, and it perfectly matches your website. Consistency is key.
Right. And the description itself, how should that sound?
Okay, product descriptions that rank and convert. Write these naturally, conversationally, like you're talking to someone. Think about voice search queries people might use. Show me hiking boots that are, or what's the best coffee maker for? Include those kinds of phrases. Clearly, highlight benefits first, then features. Answer the what's in it for me question. Make it helpful, comprehensive.
So less jargon, more helpful conversation.
You got it. And finally, don't forget the link readiness and shopping flow. Make sure those links from the listings or content go directly to the correct product page. No runarounds.
Makes sense.
And that product page needs to be mobile friendly, obviously, and load fast. Under 3 seconds is the goal. Checkout needs to be simple, crystal clear, especially if someone's coming from a voice command or an AI chat referral. Reduce friction everywhere. And maybe consider adding some optional tracking for AI search referrals, just to see where that valuable traffic is coming from.
That is a really thorough checklist focusing on why AI needs this stuff, not just what to do. I love it. And here's something I think is really clever. You mentioned we can actually use AI, use ChatGPT itself to help create this content, to optimize for GMC.
Exactly. It's kind of meta, right? Let AI help you talk to AI.
Smart.
Yeah. ChatGPT can be a fantastic content assistant here. You can give it prompts specifically for GMC optimization.
Like what? Can you give an example?
Sure, you could ask it something like, create a Google Merchant Center-friendly title for a memory foam dog bed targeting Gen X pet owners and emphasize comfort and durability. Or write a short, engaging product description for Google Shopping, including schema tags, for a waterproof hucking backpack.
Yeah.
Highlight its lightweight and multiple pockets. Or even just create a Google Merchant Center product title optimized for AI, search for this sustainable bamboo toothbrush. The benefit is huge. It helps you generate content that's not just informative, but also structured correctly and optimized for how AI discovers and ranks things. Saves time, too.
That's super practical advice. So for everyone listening now, maybe feeling a little overwhelmed, how can they do a quick check, like a quick self-assessment on their current GMC setup? Is it AI ready?
Yeah, absolutely. Let's do a quick rundown. Ask yourself these things about your listings. First, your product titles. Are they using real language, stuff people actually say or type? Or is it full of jargon and fluff?
Okay, real language.
Second, your descriptions. Do they directly answer likely customer questions? Are they conversational, helpful? Do they anticipate what someone might ask?
Answering questions directly. Got it.
Third, have you got reviews, ratings, and accurate pricing clearly displayed and technically integrated? Those trust signals are huge for AI.
Trust signals, check.
Fourth, are you really trying to think like a customer? And then writing like you're talking to a friend. That human touch is surprisingly important for AI too.
Think like a customer, write like a friend. Love that.
Fifth, have you actually tried using ChatGPT or a similar tool to help craft some of this content like we just talked about? It can really help.
Using AI to help makes sense.
And finally, the real acid test. Try typing a phrase like, I'm looking for your product type that's a key benefit and under your price point into ChatGPT or Google Assistant, see what comes up. Is your product there? Does it look good? That tells you a lot about your AI readiness right now.
That's a great practical test.
Yeah. And pulling it all together, Google Merchant Center, it's really so much more than just a place to list products. It's becoming your AI shopping control panel. It provides that essential structure, that visibility, so you show up where these smart conversational shoppers are actually looking now. Get this piece right. And seriously, platforms like ChatGPT, Google Search, voice assistants, they won't just suggest your product. They'll effectively deliver it to the right customer. It closes the loop.
Wow. Okay, that's definitely a wrap on our exploration of Google Merchant Center. Really hope you're feeling geared up now to fine-tune those listings, to really connect, captivate, and yeah, convert today's smart, multi-generational shoppers out there, ready to keep writing. Up next is Chapter 5, Boomers to Zoomers Create Content That Clicks. Because not all shoppers speak the same digital language, right? We'll get into content strategies that click with each generation, making sure your listings, your emails, your ads always sound like they were made just for them. See you there.